Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in GK, chapter 28, Countries, Capitals and Flags. So match each country with its capital along with national flag. One is done for you. Here is the list of country, capital and flag. So first one is Japan, and the capital of Japan is Tokyo, and the flag is this one, second one. Now in the second, Switzerland, and the capital of Switzerland is Bern, and the flag of Switzerland is eighth one. Now in the third, China, and the capital of China is Beijing, and the flag of China is fourth one. Now in the fourth, Nepal, the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu, and the flag of Kathmandu or Nepal is fifth one. Now in the next, United States of America, and the capital of United States of America is Washington DC, and Washington DC, the capital is, and the flag of United States of America is 10th one. Now in the sixth, Pakistan, and the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, and the flag of Pakistan is the sixth one. Now in the seventh picture, Australia, and the capital of Australia is Canberra, which is D, and the flag of Australia is the third one. Now in the next, United Kingdom, and the capital of United Kingdom is London, which is J in number, and the flag of United Kingdom is the ninth one. Now Sri Lanka, and the capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo, and the flag of Sri Lanka is seventh one. Now the last, Malaysia, and the capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, and the flag of Malaysia is F1, capital is F1, and the flag is the first one. Okay students. Now the next page, chapter 29, Modern Wonders of the World. So there are 7 wonders in the world. They are located in different parts of the world. So identify the pictures along with the countries and name these from the clue box. Okay, in the first picture we see the Great Wall of China, which is situated in China, and the Great Wall of China is an ancient wall in China. Now in the second picture, Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is situated in Peru, and Peru is a country in South America, the region around Machu Picchu. Now in the third picture, Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is a very important tourist architecture which is situated in Mexico. Now in the fourth picture, Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful monuments, is one of the 7 wonders of the world, which is situated in India. Now in fifth picture, Colosseum. So Colosseum is the biggest amphitheater ever built in the world, which is situated in Italy. Now in the sixth picture, Christ the Redeemer. It provides protection for soul, which is situated in Brazil. Now in the seventh picture, Petra. Petra is also known as the Rose City due to an color of the stone on which it is built, which is situated in Jordan. Okay students. Now the next page, chapter 30, Sobriquets. So below are the pictures of the countries or cities that represent their identity by their special names. So these special names are called sobriquets. To write the sobriquets, put the correct letter from the clue box. In the first picture we see New York, and New York is also known as Big Apple. Second, Mumbai. Mumbai is also known as Gateway of India. Third, Chicago. Chicago is also referred as Garden City of the world. Next, Japan. Japan is also known as Land of Rising Sun. Next, Thailand. Thailand is also referred as Land of White Elephants. Next, Varanasi. Varanasi is also known as City of Temples of India. Next, Rome. Rome is also known as City of Seven Hills. Next, Cuba. Cuba is also referred as Sugar Bowl of the world. Okay students, Kochi in India is called the Queen of the Arabian Sea. I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.